All right, checking in. Let me post a picture of when we took off here. I'll show you the picture of when we left, and now we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere. I took some random route. I was going to the river. I should have probably gone to a hotel instead, because that's where I need to put my stuff. Whew, it's very hot out here, and the only way to stay cool is to keep moving, so let's go. Out here living our best life, baby. I can see the ocean, I can see the main road. We're almost to the good stuff. So we're back at Brisa del Mar. That's the motorbike I just rented. And it's funny because this is the only hotel I can find that's affordable with air conditioning that allows dogs, but the restaurant underneath it does not. And it's named the same thing. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I actually got upgraded. You will not believe the room I just got. Oh my goodness. Look at this sweat. I was running around all day trying to find a hotel or a hostel that would allow for dogs, and that just had some AC. Nothing. And then I went back to the same hotel I was staying at and asked if I could stay in it again for another night. Asked how much one of the nicer rooms was. They said, my friend, I'll upgrade you. Free of charge. A microwave, a mini fridge, a private bathroom, a small sofa, a working area, a TV, a fan, an air conditioner, a king-size bed, a balcony, an ocean view, and it's pet friendly. What more could you ask for, honestly? Hola. See the mole?
¿Tamales?
Yeah, what type? Mole, you say?
Hay mole, hay raja, hay verde.
Verde, green,
Verde
red.
con pollo, ajá, chile ajo, verde, blanco y amarillo.
What's the best? What's the best? Let's see. ¿Qué es lo mejor?
De frijol sí hay.
See, what is?
Hay de frijol.
Which one, carne?
Este carne.
Carbo?
Carne.
Ah, okay. Rojo.
Sí.
Carne rojo.
Sí, carne.
Mole rojo?
Este.
Is this it?
Sí.
All right, let's go with that, yeah. Rojo. Carne.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Cuenta.
Sí, cuenta.
Perrito.
Perito Andy.
50.
40. How do you say? ¿Cómo se dice change? You have? Maybe?
Ahí está aire.
Gracias.
Sí, tamales.
Gracias.
Sí.
¿No trago usted?
Huh?
¿Trago usted?
10.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Tu name?
Me?
Sí.
Connor.
Tony.
And you?
Yo, Romero.
Ramiro.
Sí.
Ah, very nice to meet you.
Sí.
Very nice to meet you, Ramiro.
Bien? Sí.
Yeah, bien 10.
Sí.
This looks like it's wrapped in a palm leaf or something. What is this? It's like almost slimy. I think this is supposed to be eaten with a fork and spoon. Here There it is. It doesn't look very appetizing, that's for sure. Very soft texture. It's a black moldy, I think. Got two bones. Oh my gosh. This is like so not how you're supposed to eat it, but roast me in the comments, I don't care. There's a lot of little bones. Yeah, a fork and knife would be good. Now I know next time. That was really meaty bite. There you have it. Tamale that was wrapped in, I guess, banana leaf. I don't know. If anyone knows, let me know. I'll wash my hands. Have you ever dreamed of releasing baby turtles into the sea? I can't say that I have. Like $82 to release baby sea turtles. No, I've never dreamt of releasing baby sea turtles. That's $82 per person. Anyways, we're gonna go to the beach, see if we can't find any baby turtles. I'm pretty sure the GoPro's waterproof. All right, these two. All right.
70.
70? I don't know what that means, but here's 100, maybe that's enough. 70.
30.
30. 35, 30, 40. Wait, 30, 30, 30, 3. Hey. Okay, buen día. So, buenas noches.
Tarde.
Buenas tardes. Good night.
Porque no la ven tarde.
Yeah, because it's outside. Yeah. Buenos tardes.
Noches cuando ya está oscuro.
When it's nighttime. Ah. Buenos tardes. It's like, you don't even know how to say good afternoon. Why are you in Mexico, bro? The answer to that is I don't know. Smells like lemonade and a little bit of liquor. I got 2 mini bananas. I got 1 plum. I guess I got 1 mango. And then I got these little things. I think they're like apricots or something. Kind of soft, has a very peachy feel to it. It smells like a peach too. So just like the baby bananas, maybe I have baby peaches. I don't know. Nia. Fucking oranges. I got some oranges. Last but not least, a pear. A pear from Mexico. At least I think this is no. This is from the USA. I was hoping for some more exotic fruits. Editing this video right now, realizing I did not put an ending to it, so I'm just glad to have some of the memories out there to share with family and friends. And hope everybody has a great day.